How to get free promo codes on Temu. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get free Temu coupons and referral codes. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser. Now you're just going to have to search for temu.com. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now there are quite a few ways you can earn credits and rewards on Temu itself. So in order to do that, tap on the profile icon and then go to coupon and offers. And if you have any coupons here, you could just enter it up. And you can find different kind of games here that you can play to earn rewards and points. So you can go to credit balance. And if you played previously, you can get different kind of credit balance that you can use to check out of your orders and get a certain amount of discounts. Now, to find it, what you can do is go to a new tab and then tap on the search bar. Now, simply search for coupon follow, or you could just search for Temu code, and you can find different kind of deals here with different websites. You go to this website called Coupon Follow, and you can see all of these kind of offers. So if you're quick enough with your logging in, you can get up to 20 to 30% off. So you can just copy this code, click on redeem at Temu. And once you open this up, just go ahead and go to your cart. And while you check out, you can enter the code, or you could just go ahead and go to coupons and offers and enter the code here. Tap and apply. If the code is valid, you should be able to get it. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.